So I'm really excited. I am getting ready to start my 10-week course coming up here for unlocking the secrets of small business marketing.
I'm excited too. You have studied marketing for over 20 years, so you have so much experience and so much knowledge. So I'm excited for those that come and join your class. It's going to be awesome. How many people do we help with their marketing and advertising?
We have well over 100 clients. A lot of those are print clients that have been with the magazines for years, and we have a bunch of digital clients, and now we have quite a few in the middle that are doing both. That they're doing a multi-layered campaign with us, which is awesome. But the reason I wrote this is because as we've grown and gotten busier and busier, it's harder to get one-on-one time with me to teach all the basics of small business marketing, local marketing, and so this course came from a book that I wrote a few years ago that kind of lays out the basics of what to do, and we've turned it into a 10-week course, and it's going to be very hands-on. It'll be small groups of 6 to 10 people that will go through the course together, and we will really dive in and make a great plan for these businesses. I think it could transform some businesses this year.
That's so cool. You also figured out this program called Custom Fit. Can you tell us more about that?
Well, yeah, I didn't figure it out, but I applied for it, and I'm an official instructor now, or an approved instructor. I don't know what the right words are, but Custom Fit program is great. It's through the state of Utah. They give money to small businesses, big businesses to help reimburse for training, and I'm an officially approved training program for Custom Fit. So people who go through the course can get 40% of it reimbursed through the Custom Fit program. They do have to be a licensed business in the state of Utah, but they can get a reimbursement for doing that.
That's awesome. That will help a lot. Can you tell me tell us when and where this?
So basically, it'll start September 13th. It'll be from 5:30 to 7, one night a week for 10 weeks, and it'll be hands-on. It'll be transformative for your business. And so it starts September 13th. We have an early bird discount if you sign up before September 1st. And you can apply for Custom Fit at the same time and know that you're approved for that, which is awesome. And so you can just follow the links below to get signed up.